Welcome to FNN News. You are on the newest headlines. NATO severs ties with Mexico and the United States. Is war certain on the U.S.? Honestly, I think so. We've been like this for the past month. The new president definitely made this happen because he has a better relationship with Russia. We think a war is probably certain. We advise all citizens to get a shelter and stay in place there until further notice. This is FNN News reporting on this. Bye bye.
Being a person is complicated. We all have different, sometimes crazy things to deal with. But we figure it out. In fact, people are always doing impressive things. So how come all these people who do wildly challenging things
NATO has declared war on us, as in Chicago, according to spies in Brussels, we have confirmed that NATO is going to aerial raid us and send battleships. The United States has declared martial law. We would like for the entirety of the border with Canada evacuate, and the rest of the people in the US get food. And we repeat, do not panic buy. We will get supplies to every household in the US.
Back to the situation at the north border. We want the people within 100 miles of the border to evacuate to the south or to a heavily guarded shelter. The attacks will come in 4 days, which are your 4 days to prepare. May God be with us.
Gotcha! Who wants to be the bad guy next?
I'll take that, thank you.
Let's go.
Grown men ride scooters. Everyone's texting dirty pics.
Babies named after produce. Hi, Carol.
The surveillance state's got brand new tricks.
I am not spying.
The world is out of sorts. We need to fix.
As of 3 p.m., the United States President signed a paper stating that the United States is now surrendering to NATO. According to government officials, Northern Illinois will be SCD to the Republic of Lithuania. From now on, the broadcasts in Northern will be broadcasted in Lithuanian. We encourage all schools teach Lithuanian and English. If you deny living in Northern Illinois from now on, you can only travel to New York State and District of Columbia. Bye.